Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Trust wallet to Pancakeswap or to any decentralized exchange on your computer browser. Step 1, click on Connect Wallet. Step 2, select Wallet Connect. Step 3, take your phone and open your Trust Wallet mobile app. Step 4, click Settings and select Wallet Connect. Step 5, scan the QR code shown on your computer, using your mobile wallet, and click Connect. The Trust wallet has been connected. Navigate back on your mobile wallet and click Save and Leave to stay connected. If you click OK, the wallet will be disconnected. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.